What's up, guys? This is the Redneck Mechanic, and I'm gonna make a bike check. This is my bike. It's a Fit Inman 1. I just bought it stock. It was $329. I got it at Goods BMX in Portland. And start from top, I guess. I got animal bar ends. They're brown. They're actually really nice. They don't scratch cars or anything, and they feel good. I got dual Doyle grips, and I don't recommend them. They wear really fast. I had a pair before this, and I wore a hole clean through them, and it just fell off, so I only had a little bit of grip left. I have Fit Sky high bars in chrome, 8.25 rise, 29 width. I got Fit FAF tire, 2.25. It's red in the front, and in the back I have a Fit FAF. It's 2.30. It's blue or teal or whatever you want to say. I got Odyssey Trail Mix pedals. They're sealed. Stolen pivotal seat. It used to be glow in the dark, but it doesn't work anymore. See, I got Oregon quarter, 2010 Oregon quarter there. I got an International Harvester sticker, a Dan's Comp sticker. That's where I get all my parts. Grenade. That's the other side of my bike. It's comes with that sticker. I put that sticker. I put the flag on it. This is a KMC Crazy chain. It's good. It's thick. It's not like the other cheap Crazy chains that or colored chains, you know. I got these chromey things that I've had forever. Yeah, I ride brakes. I don't want to ruin my boots. And yeah, that's my bike check. So if you want to hear hub noise, it's not that loud. It's just the stock. It's just the stock hub that comes on the Inman 1 bike. These rims are I don't even know what they're called, but they're single wall, so it's not too good. My bike weighs about 20, I think it weighs around 25, 24 pounds. And yeah, that's my bike check.